Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the speedometer in Google Maps. If you'd like to see your current driving speed while using navigation, this feature is really useful, and it only takes a few seconds to enable. Let me show you how. So, the first thing you need to do is open the Google Maps app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture in the upper right corner. When the menu appears, swipe down and tap on Settings. Now, tap on the second option, Navigation Settings. Keep scrolling a little further until you see the speedometer option. Once you find it, simply tap the switch to turn it on. And that's all you need to do. The next time you start navigating to a destination, you'll see your current speed displayed on the map while you're driving. If you don't see this option on your phone, don't worry. Google hasn't made it available in every country or region yet, so depending on where you are, it might not appear.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.